In this video, we will learn how you can remove these small arrows from the desktop shortcut icons. So without wasting any time, let us get started. First, open Start and search for Registry Editor. Once you have opened it, click on the drop-down button of HK local machine. Then Software, then Microsoft, then Windows, then Current version. Here, scroll a bit and find Explorer. Select it, right-click, and go with New, then Key. Rename this folder to Shell Icons. Make sure the S in Shell and the I in Icons are capital letters. Inside this folder, create a new string value and rename it to 29. Save it, then right-click on it and click on Modify. In the value data field, enter the command. I have mentioned this command in the description for easy copy and paste. Then click on OK. After this, just close the registry editor. Now open Task Manager, search for Windows Explorer, right-click on it and choose Restart. And as you can see, the small arrows are gone. Now if you create any new desktop shortcuts, the arrows will be gone automatically as well. Also, if you want to reset this thing, just open the registry editor and delete that old Shell Icons folder. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like this type of content, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned.